Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to learn how to create a sequence diagram using ChatGPT in just a few simple steps. So, let's dive into the video. First, we'll prepare the basic content that we want to convert into a UML sequence diagram. Next, head over to ChatGPT, paste the content you've created, and use the prompt shown on the screen. Once that's done, go to the sequence diagram website, copy the source text generated, and paste it into the editor. That's it. You'll now be able to view a detailed sequence diagram right on your screen. Make sure to adjust it to the best shrink-fit view for easy viewing and sharing. You can also share it as an image, PDF, or even a link for better understanding and collaboration. This makes it super easy to include in your documentation, presentations, or even when explaining workflows to your team. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.